Hello guys, today I do have the ROBOROCK Qrevo Edge and I'm going to show you how to use the command Hello Rocky. So, the first thing you need to do is to open the app called ROBOROCK. As you might know, go to Profile over here and tap Smart Control. Tap Siri commands, tap plus over here, and now you need to select the command. Like if you want to have your ROBOROCK Qrevo Edge to start cleaning. Here now we need to say Hello Rocky. Tap record phrase and say Hello Rocky. Hello Rocky. Done. Turn on Siri. Hello Rocky. Hello Rocky.
Starting to clean.
As I guess it works. Return. And that's how it works. Goodbye.